How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Step by step for beginners. Before we get started, let's talk about crypto exchanges. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. They work like online marketplaces. You create an account, add funds, and trade crypto just like you would with stocks. In this video, we'll focus on Coinbase, super user-friendly, and trusted by over 100 million users worldwide for buying Bitcoin. Hi, I'm Mai, and welcome to Bitcoin Basics, where we make Bitcoin easy to understand. Let's get started. I'll walk you through how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, even if you're just getting started. Step 1. Go to Coinbase.com or download the Coinbase app.
Select Sign Up in the top right corner of the homepage. Verify whether you want an individual or business account, then select Get Started. Fill out your first and last name, email address, and create a secure password. Check off the box acknowledging your age and agreeing to the terms and conditions, then click Create Account. You'll now be prompted to verify your email by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox.
To protect your account, Coinbase will ask you to verify your email, phone number, and upload a government-issued ID.
For added security, you'll be prompted to set up your two-step verification by selecting the country you reside and entering your mobile phone number, then selecting Send Code. Enter the 7-digit code sent to your text messages, then click Submit. Next, verify your country of citizenship and click Submit. You now have the option to complete the identity verification process by filling out this form with your personal information. Or you can choose to skip this step for now by selecting Skip in the top right.
Step 2. Link a payment method like a bank account, debit card, or Apple Pay. Bank accounts have lower fees, but debit cards are faster.
The next required step is to add a payment method. Click Continue to select the institution in which you will be using for your payment method. You will then be redirected to your institution site to sign in, verify your identity, and confirm you'd like to link this account. Coinbase will now link this account as your preferred payment method, which you can always update at a later time. In order to trade crypto, you'll want to finish verifying your info, which you can start at any time by clicking on Verify Your Info.
Step 3. Tap the blue Buy button or search for Bitcoin (BTC) using the search bar. Step 4. Enter the amount of money you want to spend. For example, $10 or $100. Select your payment method. Tap Preview Buy to confirm the order, then hit Buy Now. Congratulations! You now own Bitcoin. To view your Bitcoin, go to the Assets tab. From here, you can track performance, set up auto buys, or send Bitcoin. And that's it! If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. More Bitcoin Basics tutorials are coming soon.